Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Schooling Street. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to add comments in Word file or in Microsoft Word file. Before starting, please subscribe to this channel for future videos. Let's start. First of all, open your Word file where you want to add the comments. I open assignment. After opening the document, you have to select where you want to add the comment. For example, I want to add the comment on this line. Select the line where you want to add the comment and select or click on review from menu. After this, select new comment. After this, you will see this option of adding new comment. For example, I write here question number 1. Question number 1. Okay. After this, you can see the comment has been added. If you want to add a new comment anywhere in the file or in the Word file, you can select and click on the review and select new comment, or simply select and right click on the words or sentence. After this, select new comment at the bottom of this drop down list of this list. After selecting, you will see the same option as before, and here I write question number 2 or question number 2 part B or anything else that you want. In this way, you can write comments in Word file. It's important or it is useful where you want to add comments for remembering something. For example, no one knows where the question number 1 starts or where the answer of first question starts. If you want to send the file to a new user or student or anywhere else that you want to add the comments, or you want the other person understand the file perfectly, you can add comments. Hope so you enjoyed this video. If you have any other question, please comment below. If you want to learn MS Word, MS PowerPoint and MS Excel, please subscribe to this channel and also visit the playlist. In a playlist, you will see playlist of MS PowerPoint, Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. In every playlist, you will see a lot of videos. Hope so you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel for future videos. Allah Hafiz.